The rain did beautiful things. My Grand Rapids leaf lettuce is massively, massively coming on. Jesus Christ, amen, amen. Oh, sometimes I forget. I got you guys sweet. Something about these, though, a little harder to wear. What is it? Something about the way the nose ridge is. Leaves a darker, or darkens out more of my vision. Not sure. We're headed to 88 already. Now, it was weird. It said like 86, feel like 44. I have almost never in 33 years seen temperatures lower in this state than the actual temperature. Don't usually see the field like lower than the actual temperature. I'm wearing my beautiful cold stone bracelet that Brian and Marion Wallflowers brought me. Oh my God, I just love it. Because of these needles, cactus needles and points, I don't often wear my bracelets, but I have this beautiful bracelet, and then I have another stone bracelet that my bestie Dawn sent me, and then my bestie Pam has spent many years building a, let me think, it's a beautiful bracelet that's well known, and you add charms to it. I can't think what it's called, but I love it. Let's see if you guys cannot fall. We are headed over to Publix in Crystal River, Florida, where I'm going to start at the FedEx and send a fax out. Uh-oh, what is that beeping? This ride is so cool. I don't know a lot of it. I can't believe I still have to share that cool thing that I found, and I have to not open these other areas. This truck may be too advanced for me. It's bringing me into the now, I'll tell you that. Which is mind-blowing because I was, made me think of when I did work at American Hound and Finance in Torrance, California, on contract through Audia, placing software through the major software houses. Sometimes it was IBM, sometimes Xerox, sometimes Ashton Tate, which you would know as DBase 3. That was sold to another company. Let's see, what other software houses? Lotus 123. Oh, those would be the IBM ones. Lotus 123 and Symphony. I was on, oh my God, I was in such demand for those. I would be booked in the front for audit downs. I mean, actually it was Sears. I was never going to come off being on contracts. Some days I think, how long would it take me to catch up if I were back in LA and had nothing else to do and just decided that old woman, new software, duck out of water, ugly swan, see if you can still fly with the new electronic software enabling systems. I bet I would, I bet I could. Kind of makes me like calmly chilly. That like, ooh, that little chill where like, yeah, that sounds good. I wouldn't go back to sleeping at, catching a nap in a chair for a rush situation again. Those years are over. That was my coffee you heard. I bet you're getting hot up there. Oh my goodness. Oh, chapstick is why it's going sideways and not totally to the bottom. I'm not used to it yet, but I will be someday, some year. There's our little airport, the Crystal River Airport in Citrus County, Florida. I think I'll hold you back here with me. Oops. And then I'll face you to the ground. I'll just face you down.